My name is Emmanuel from the Baltimore area. I do a rehab, and I'm also a master electrician. I enjoy doing the work first and foremost. You have to enjoy it, seeing the finished product. When I see the people that buy, those homes, when I see the joy in their faces, that makes me happy that I've at least done something people like. My goal is at some point to be able to be financially free, be able to do what I want to do, spend more time with my family, so that's my goal. It took me about a year. So I did a lot of webinars, a lot of seminars in real estate investing, to acquire knowledge. So it took me an average of 1 year before, I got, started. I have a lot of realtors. They send me lead, all the time. They send it to my email. I do my own research through the internet to find, homes. Then I pick the ones that the math work out for me that will be profitable. I found this one on my own. Actually, I've been, working in the area to find something that will be profitable. It took me about 2 months to find this one. The property is in a good location. How many days, the average days on the market in this area, and also if it's a highly competitive area as far as buying. So that's how I get my information. We're going to keep all the walls. The ceilings are coming up because of the HVAC, and we're also replacing some of the old plumbing pipes because they are blocked. A new bathroom in the master bedrooms. Those are things that are added values to sell the house. We're going to do the wiring. Some of the outlets, they only have 2 prongs. They don't have ground, which is a safety issue. And then we're going to also finish the basement. We're not creating any room or anything in the basement. We're just putting on new drywall. I use the software to do my estimate. Plus, again, I've been doing this since 2003. So I can basically, tell how much things cost. If you are new, most banks don't want to loan you money because you lack experience, So that was my initial, problem, getting the fund, but that was like the first year or so that I started, The thing that I like about Do Hard Money is that they do 100% financing, and they've been great in at least providing the information what I need. You don't have, nothing is due while you're doing the rehab. You don't even have to pay the interest or anything. You don't have to pay anything until you finish your rehab and then sell the house if it's within the terms of your agreement. And I'm going to do as many as possible because I love their terms of agreement. I brought 0 cash to close. So they did 100% financing. It was 0% closing. It was 0%. That's 0. Right now, from the estimate, it's going to be about $30,000, minimum.